Hi, my name is Tanvir. A few of the common questions that gets asked during the interviews are, what are you looking for in a new job? Or describe your ideal job? Or what are two or three things which are most important to you in a job? To answer this question, consider two major points. First is the work you would like to do. Second is the people you would be working with. You might have a few other priorities, other points in your mind to consider, but these are two major points that should be considered. Think about this. You can expect to be provided with good work, good assignments for your career development, and to grow in a career that you have thought for yourself. And the people at your workplace and in your team should be open to working with you, should make work harmonious for you, give you respect and value you and your inputs. And the workplace and the people should possess a set of values which are common to you, which are similar to what you believe in. Now, think and try to write it down or take notes of these points about your ideas regarding the above 2 points that we have discussed. For example, what do you expect when you think of good work in terms of technology, domain knowledge, areas of expertise which you like to build upon in your career? One thing to consider is do not get stuck on very specific topics on areas which you think you are good at or which you think are good or which you know or are fancy or buzzwords these days. Instead, research about the company, read, Google, or ask the interviewer what all areas they are offering, what areas and topics they are working in, and align your answers on the same topics and areas. For example, you might find out that the company uses Java technology to create business applications, business software, and you don't know either Java or business applications. You can align your answer in such a way that you can tell them that you are interested to learn, you are interested to upskill, and how your past experiences and past work aligns with the company's work. For example, some of the common transferable skills could be there that you can showcase that you can use these skills in your job. And you can align your current learnings and skills to companies' offerings and tell them that you are teachable and you can upskill. And another important thing to consider is the people you work with, because we spend some 8 to 10 hours of our lives every day with the people we work with. So we need to consider the personal values the people have or the company advocates. There are some things which might be very important to you. For example, it could be honesty, integrity, transparency, open culture, valuing people and relationships over money. It could be many other things that you prioritize or value over some other things. You need to be specific about these things, because you cannot be dissatisfied with job because the culture doesn't match up to your expectations or you are not good fit for that culture. So be very open about discussing these things with the interviewer. Try to be very positive and not present these things in a negative manner, and try to let them know that you prioritize work as well as this work environment when it comes to an ideal job. Thank you.